Belonging is a safe, loving environment, and people listen to you to help you. Um, Belonging becomes inside you, it's not outside you.
When you are in a community of people that you trust, that you feel like see and hear you in a way that you see yourself. Um, yeah.
I feel belonged when I'm with my family, with my friends, or when I'm at work. Because what I do and what I say matter to people. People care about me. I do enjoy the sense of belonging.
Um, Definitely my family or friends, but I feel like I would kind of utilize either of those strengths for different things. Like there are some things that I would go to my family more for advice over my friends, or I'd see my friends for advice over my family, and also professional help has also really helped me.
Well, for me, my friends are my connections in Tasmania. My family comes from Grafton, so I don't see them or have much to do with them besides the phone calls. And so my family in Tasmania are my friends. So um, they've been my big support in my mental health issues, um, and they've always been there for me. So um, yeah.
Family, friends, support services, and yeah, a lot of support around my mental health, which is very needed um, after withdrawing from society for a long time because of my mental health. It's a huge thing to actually have people and connections around me now that can help in a more positive way.
Yeah, there's a family that helped me live with him, because when I relocated, there was no arrangements of accommodations and all that. Only from that family friend that helped me put me up with him, with his under his lease, and until when the lease ran out, he had to relocate, and that was when I became homeless. So I was homeless, and I just lived outside, just down at Mowbray. And yeah, so it was a big challenge indeed. It was the biggest challenge in my life, I would say, because um, I have been homeless, however, not to that extent. So people around me did help, even though the government could have done a lot better. However, the support that I get, especially this place here, Anglicare here, have really helped me a lot. I really, really appreciate every assistance that they have rendered to me during this course. And so, yeah, I'm really very grateful, very lucky, very blessed, as I was told. I'm very blessed rather than being lucky. Yeah.
Caramel have been big help for me in my challenges. Like I had a car bought and stolen from me, so they were massively they listened to the situation or the problem, and then they helped me solve the problem without me being too stressed or without me being put back into hospital. Um, they saved me a lot, actually.
I started art a few years ago as part of a therapy type thing to get through some very dark times, and about 12 months ago I started painting skateboards because they're easy to paint and they look good. And since then I have started a sort of a fundraising effort to raise money for mental health called Clown Princess Skateboards for Sanity, where I'm painting custom skateboards like this one and others, and hopefully raise some money and get my art through my therapy through my art. Yeah, it's very beneficial for my recovery and my general well being, really. obviously my support workers over the years have helped me a lot when things have been really bad. I actually had a situation recently, about probably 7 months ago now, where I was admitted to a mental health facility, and the support that I got from the mental health facility and the people around me and my mental health workers was beyond anything I could have expected. I was on the verge of giving up completely, and here I am, months later, stable, healthy, doing it.
As for people with different cultural background, I think to have more activities, like public activities that everyone can participate would be very good, and also maybe to be more tolerable and to be more patient with people with language barriers.
Avoiding judgment of other people and accepting people's flaws. And I think we also forget that different opinions aren't necessarily wrong. They just come from a different perspective and from so many different social communities and stuff like that.
To understand that we're all different, but we're all human, and that people have different ways of handling things, and offer them the way you would handle to help them through the situation that they're going through. Offer them mental health number, or a person that's helped you through the situation, and always be there for them, just to even a sounding board for them or something. Just let them know that they're human and everyone makes mistakes and we can get through it.
Acceptance, talking, conversation, being more open about things. Society, community, as a whole, could be a lot less judgmental towards people with mental health issues. Be open and honest about it, and just accept and believe, and basically just the acceptance and conversation. Don't be scared. Don't hide it. It's not what you need to do. Society needs to open up as a whole and realize that mental health matters to a lot of people, and it doesn't discriminate. Rich people, poor people, fat, skinny, young, old, we all suffer mental health issues, and we all have our own problems, and we all have our problems that people can help with, and we just got to get there.